In this Excel basic part 2, I'm just showing you how to save the Excel file. Click on file, click save as, click browse where you want to save it. If you want to save it in desktop, click that folder, then name. I make it the main name as here Excel basic part 2. Click save. I already saved here. If you want to save it, shortcut is Ctrl S. If you press Ctrl S, you can save it. You can make. This is a shortcut key. Now, if you want to make it in this examination result heading as in the multiple cell heading. As I told you before, make merge and center to make the heading of a multiple cell. So select this part and click on merge and center, or else select this. Click right button, click format cells. You can click on alignment, where we can see merge cells. Click merge cells. OK. Now click here. It will be in the center part of a multiple cell. So if I want to make it the bold, Control B, or click here in the B button. So if I want to fill this area, click here, then we can fill it here. If I want to make bold here, click Ctrl B. Then if I want to make this part border, I need the border. Select this part, click here all border, or else click right button, click format cells, where we can see border. Here you can see, if you don't want the inside border, click like this. If you want full border, click format cells, click here full border, you will get it. If you want to double thickness in the border, click double line, click OK. See, now if you want the total, as I told you in the previous class, select this, click Alt equal to, or else select this part, click here Sigma symbol, or Alt equal to, you can see here, click here, then drag it. Now you can see the total of the marks: 62, 44.5, 65, 97, 40, 39, 26.5. So whatever mark is less than 50, that would be fail. So if I want to make the condition here, so click on here FX, click FX, where we can see here, click FX here on the grade area, click here, click on FX, where we can see if. Here click on OK. Here we need the logical text. What is our condition? Total marks less than 50, then that student failed. So I am clicking here the total marks. Here I am typing less than 50. Then that student failed. So in that case, value true. That means if it's less than 50, then fail. Otherwise, pass. Okay. That means in logical test we can see value true, we can see value false, we can see here. Value true means first condition, if the total marks less than 50, fail, otherwise pass. Click OK. We can see first mark is 62. If I want to know the below the marks, only first one we checked. Just as usual, in the corner, just drag it. We can see the second mark less than 50. So it's failed. So this also failed. See, if I want to make the 2 digits here, for example decimal we need it. After if we want the decimal here, click here we can increase the decimal. If you want to decrease the decimal, click here. Now if I want to copy this part, this result here also, press Ctrl C, then here press Ctrl V. If I don't want this copy paste here, just press Ctrl Z, that is undo. Whatever previous action that will not we want the previous action, previous result, just press Ctrl Z, that means undo. Okay, again we want this, that means redo, Ctrl Y. Okay, now instead of if this is Ctrl C is the shortcut key of copy, Ctrl V is the shortcut key of paste. Whatever copy that we need to paste it. So instead of copy and paste, we can just do like this. Select this part, click here, right button, we can see here copy. If we want to paste here, again click right button, click here, paste. Okay, if I don't want this one here, I want here. If I want to cut it, you can press either Ctrl X or click right button. Here we can see cut, where we want to paste here. So click right button, paste here. So I hope you understand the second part also. Thank you very much.